guys, it's Sridev here. I have been designing electronics for more than 5 years now and have designed a lot of things that you see every day around, like smartphones, tablets, cameras and even Wi-Fi routers. When I started learning electronics, I had to build a lot of circuits on breadboards. It was a completely messy process and things wouldn't often work due to loose connections. Today, we are introducing you with Dexter platform. Dexter platform is an electronics learning platform that will help you get started with electronics without having to worry about messy wires and connections. You don't need to have any kind of technical knowledge to get started. So what is Dexter? Dexter is a microcontroller based embedded development platform which uses the popular 80MEGA328P microcontroller. You can program Dexter to blink some LEDs, display some text and graphics, make some sounds and even create Bluetooth controlled robots. The best part is that you need not have any kind of technical knowledge or experience before to get started. Dexter is one of the best platforms for kids to get started with electronics. Out of the box, you have the Dexter board mounted on a rover chassis with 4 motors and 4 wheels. You also get an assortment of modules including a Bluetooth module, an ultrasonic sensor for measuring distance, temperature and humidity sensor, a pair of sensors for making a line following robot, and a soil moisture sensor for detecting whether your plant is thirsty or not. We have also included a bunch of jumper cables to connect these modules to Dexter. Also, there is a DC adapter for powering and a USB cable for programming Dexter. Dexter is built on the popular Arduino platform. This means that you can leverage the thousands of pre-built libraries, tutorials and guides to build your projects quickly without having to deal with messy wires, which is usually a part of most Arduino projects. If you are someone with no previous experience, you can follow a step-by-step guide and start building projects in no time. In the next episode, we'll be lighting up some LEDs, playing with some switch inputs and doing some fun stuff with Dexter. So stay subscribed and click on that bell icon so that you know when the next episode is up. Also, if you want to know how to get hold of a Dexter kit, do check the details in the description. See you until next time.